Learn English with Allicia.
Olivia, are you ready?
Almost.
You look nervous.
I am nervous.
Don't worry. You'll do great.
I hope so.
This is your first big interview, right?
Yes.
What time is it?
8:15.
Oh no. You should leave now.
I know.
Did you print your resume?
Yes.
Do you have your bag?
Yes.
Your phone?
Yes.
Your keys? Olivia,
Wait. I found them.
relax.
I'm trying.
Which company is this again?
Bright Future Media.
Nice name.
I really want this job.
And you can get it.
What if they don't like me?
They will like you.
What if I say something wrong?
Nobody is perfect.
I didn't sleep well last night.
I can see that.
I was thinking too much.
That's normal.
Okay. I'm leaving now.
Good luck.
Thanks, Mom.
Call me later.
I will.
Good morning. What would you like?
One small coffee, please.
Sure.
Thank you.
Big day today?
Yeah. I have a job interview.
Good luck.
Thanks. I need it.
Here's your coffee.
Thank you. Oh, I still have time.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Oh no. My coffee.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, just an accident.
No, really, I wasn't looking where I was going. I'm very sorry.
It's fine, but please be more careful next time.
Yes, of course. I feel really bad.
My shirt is ruined now.
Can I help you somehow? Maybe buy you a new coffee or clean this?
No, it's okay. I just need to fix my shirt.
I'm really sorry again. I didn't mean this to happen.
It's okay. Let's just fix it fast.
Are you okay?
I think so.
Your shirt.
Oh no.
The coffee spilled everywhere.
This is terrible.
Do you have an extra shirt?
No.
Are you going somewhere important?
I have a job interview in 30 minutes.
Seriously?
Yes. And now my shirt looks awful.
Relax. It's okay.
No, it's not okay.
Here.
What?
Take my jacket.
Really?
Yes. It will cover the stain.
I can't take your jacket.
It's fine.
Are you sure?
Of course.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
You really saved me today.
Good luck with your interview.
Thanks.
You should go now.
Right.
Bye.
Bye.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Can I help you?
Yes. I'm here for an interview.
Your name, please?
Olivia Carter.
Okay. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
The manager will see you soon.
Okay. I hope this goes well.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Thanks.
You can go in now.
Okay. Hello.
Hi, Olivia.
Wait.
Nice to see you again.
You?
Yes.
You're the manager?
That's right.
Oh my gosh.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
I like your jacket. Just kidding.
I was so embarrassed earlier.
Accidents happen.
Thank you again for helping me.
Of course.
I really appreciate it.
So, Olivia, tell me about yourself.
Okay.
Relax. This is just a conversation.
That makes me feel better.
Good.
Well, I recently finished college.
Nice.
And I really want to work here.
Why this company?
Because I love creative work.
That's great to hear.
I'm a hard worker too.
I can already see that. Thank you for coming today, Olivia.
Thank you for meeting with me.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, actually.
Go ahead.
What is it like to work here?
Busy sometimes, but friendly.
That sounds nice.
We work as a team here.
I like that.
Good.
I really enjoyed this interview.
Me too.
Really?
Yes. You seem honest and kind.
Thank you.
And you stayed calm after the coffee accident.
I was panicking inside.
Haha, maybe a little.
I thought my day was ruined.
But you still came here.
Because I really wanted this job.
I can see that.
Thank you.
Olivia.
Yes?
We would like to hire you.
Wait, really?
Yes. Congratulations.
Oh my gosh.
Welcome to Bright Future Media.
Thank you so much.
You earned it.
I can't believe this.
Your first day is Monday.
I'll be here early.
Great.
Thank you again for everything.
And next time, be careful with coffee.
I will.
See you Monday.
See you.
Olivia.
Mom.
You're home.
Yes.
How was the interview?
You won't believe it.
What happened?
First, I spilled coffee on my shirt.
Oh no.
I know.
Then what happened?
A woman helped me.
Really?
She gave me her jacket.
That was very kind.
Yes.
So, how was the interview?
That woman was the manager.
Wait, what?
I'm serious.
No way.
Yes, way.
That's unbelievable.
And guess what?
What?
I got the job.
Olivia.
I got the job.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Mom.
I told you they would like you.
I was so nervous this morning.
But you did great.
Today felt like a movie.
Haha, seriously.
I still can't believe it.
We should celebrate.
Pizza?
Pizza.
Best day ever.
You deserve it. The pizza is here.
Finally.
Come help me.
Okay.
Careful. It's hot.
It smells amazing.
You had a big day today.
Yeah. A very crazy day.
But it ended well.
Very well.
Are your friends happy for you?
I didn't tell them yet.
Really?
I wanted to tell you first.
Ah,
You supported me a lot.
I'm your mom.
Still, thank you.
So when do you start?
Monday morning.
Are you excited?
Excited and nervous.
That's normal.
What if I make mistakes?
Everybody makes mistakes.
Even managers?
Especially managers. You'll learn quickly.
I hope so.
I know so.
I want to do my best.
And you will.
Thanks, Mom.
Now eat your pizza before it gets cold.
Yes, ma'am.
And maybe no coffee accidents on Monday.
I'll try.
Good.
Today started badly.
But ended perfectly.
Exactly.
Learn English with Alicia.